We smoking gelato, going full throttle, everything gassing, get gassing. And all of the bumps we be passing. But this one right here to the face, cause niggas is stressing it like they're busting. I'm praying and hoping I don't catch a case and free.
How's it going today, YouTube? So we're back for another tutorial. Today we're going to be going over one of my favorite effects that I've been using all throughout 2019. The first thing that you guys are going to want to do today is you're going to want to click the clip and drag it up holding the Alt button. What this allows you to do is duplicate it. Then you're going to want to go to the effects panel and you're going to search for keyer. Once you have keyer, you're going to drag and drop it onto the top layer. After you place the keyer onto the top layer, you're going to go into the keyer effects panel. You're going to bring down the edge distance all the way, and you're going to bring down the spill level all the way as well. The next thing that you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to go into color selection, scroll down a little bit, and then you're just going to want to bring the luma runoff all the way to 100%. After that, you're going to want to go back into the effects search tool, and you're going to look for wave. You're going to drag the wave onto the top layer as well. Now what we're then going to do is we're going to go to the wave effects settings, and we're going to bring down the amount just a little bit, not too much. I have it around 30. Then we're going to bring the offset up to around 160 to 170. After you're done doing that, you're just going to want to go back down to the effects search tool, and you're just going to want to type in underwater. After putting the underwater effect onto the top layer, the next thing you're going to do is you're just going to bring up the size a little bit. I brought it around 7. After that, you just want to bring down the speed a little bit. The refraction needs to be brought down a little bit as well. You guys can set yours to the same settings right here. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is just going to give it a little color effect. What I'm going to use here is I'm going to use a hue saturation. After putting the hue and saturation on there, you're just going to want to go back to the effects settings panel. You're just going to toggle the hue to the color that you want it to be. What this does is it separates the top layer from the bottom layer, and it almost acts as a mask on top of the bottom layer. From here you could also go as far as to adding a couple different effects to the top layer, giving you the ability to use it within different music video projects in the future. Last but not least, you just want to hit the Save Effects preset button just to save the preset, so that way you can use it in the future without having to do what we just went through. Here's a couple more examples of the effect being used in different projects. Please feel free to leave a like and a comment if you do like the video. If you guys do have any more questions for me, you can always send me a direct message through YouTube, or you can click on my email provided below within the bio.
Couple of thousands all up in my pockets. So hungry and humble, yo niggas gon' rumble. We'll take off like rockets.